Our main weather topic, unfortunately, continues to be air quality. Not only as we are going throughout the rest of today, but this is still something we do have to track even as we are getting into the upcoming weekend. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Some of the latest data coming in. Here's a look at it. Still does look like most of the smoke, even as we are going into the day tomorrow, it's still going to be more confined to the upper levels of the atmosphere, especially where you are seeing some of those yellows, if not even some of those oranges on the map. So making probably at least for some more vibrant sunrises, if not even some sunsets. But we are also expecting some of that smoke to mix down to the surface as we are going later, not only throughout today, but even carrying into the upcoming weekend. So that's really going to be the main thing we are tracking for you going into the next several days. Otherwise, it is generally quiet into this upcoming weekend. High pressure is in control. Let's go ahead and run you through it. Future view the rest of the evening going past midnight tonight. Just a few clouds out there as we take you past the midnight hour. Still thinking the majority of us are going to be mostly dry as we're going into the overnight period. Early on Friday morning, you notice right here near the Lake Huron shoreline, we're trying to pop up a isolated shower at best. It's about 10% or less. I still think most of us are going to be dry as we are getting into the day tomorrow. Partly to at times mostly sunny. It's going to be some more hazy sunshine as we carry you right there throughout the day on Friday. Also a few more lake breezes off of Lake Superior, Lake Michigan into the Upper Peninsula. Could spark off yet another isolated shower. Again, these chances are 10% or less. Would not cancel anything outdoors, but even still, that's what we'll have as we are going into the day tomorrow. Still a mostly dry Friday, and even still with high pressure in control, taking us into the upcoming weekend, we are still going to be talking about a mostly dry forecast. We're really not talking about any appreciable rain chances until we go into mid next week. Let's get to live weather stations outside right now. Manistee still holding on to some low 70s. Current temperature right now at 70. A little bit breezy there, though. Winds closer to 16 miles per hour. Cadillac still in the low 70s as well, with your current number sitting right there at 72 degrees. Temperatures, that will be the other main story, at least for tonight. Check out the overnight lows. A little bit chilly for some. 50s closer to the lakeshore, but check out numbers as you're going farther inland. We could be including some more 40s as we are getting into your Friday morning. So if you're out and about early on tomorrow, maybe a light jacket. But as we're getting into the day tomorrow, still going to be a warmer day. Eastern upper tip of the Mint, we'll call it some hazy sunshine getting into the afternoon. Again, it's a pop-up chance from a light breeze, but still thinking we've got a mostly dry Friday for you. Low to mid 70s getting into the afternoon. Less humidity as well. There's the temperatures as we're taking you right there throughout western lower. Still some mid to even a few upper 70s getting into the afternoon hours. Not going to be our hottest Friday. Eastern lower sunrise side, we'll watch you a little bit closer tomorrow morning. Again, it's a pop-up style chance at best, 10% or less. Still think most of your Friday is going to be dry. Low to mid 70s, and even as we carry you right here into central lower, still talking about some mid to upper 70s as we take you right there into the day on Friday. Let's show you where we go into the next 7 days. It's generally quiet, just some of that haze out there lingering at them into the weekend. 70s, if not some 80s going into next week, and really the only chance we talk about for some rain Tuesday into next Wednesday.